What's going on, guys? Welcome to the CK story. We're at the beach.
Going to be
at the beach. We weren't allowed in there yet. But yeah, welcome to the vlog.
Lately I've been missing you, but I know everything's gonna be alright. Thoughts of me kissing you, that would all lead up to the times we'd fight. Wanna know what's up with you, ever since you left you've been out of sight. Girl, I wanna know the truth, just so I can tell you what's on my mind. What's up, I've been calling you, it seems like I can't get to you. Thought I was good, yet I'm feeling blue. Feels like I'm alone in this game for two, yeah. Tell me what you wanna do, live your life, no stopping you. When you're up late nights, who you talking to? Let me know, I'm so confused. Oh, what you want, let me know, and I'll stop. Ooh, so confused over you. Yes, it's true, I miss you. So tell me how you're feeling, I just want you to know I can't move on if you leave me alone. I miss you, 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 I miss you.
So we're going to a local store like a Candyman, and they're giving away free stuff for seniors. So
Yeah, I can't wait to see what it is. Kind of hungry. Can you get some Subway?
So we got some saltwater patties.
We got Subway. Our good boy Luke Levy hit us up. Thank you, Luke. You're phenomenal.
Sick with it, group drop.